Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. This is it. This is the big reveal. I don't know how I thought of this, but I think this is gonna work. This is something really different, and if you're having, if you like this type of thing, and doing some kind of dinner party or a lunch or a big party or something, geesh, a bridal shower, whatever, this is a great idea. I'm taking a whole new approach to my parfaits. This is what I'm going to be doing. Well, first of all, yep, I have to put a napkin under everything. I want everything to look beautiful. I am making a Middle Eastern, you ready? Arabian parfait. Have you ever heard of such a thing? If you have, let me know in the comments below, but I think I thunk it myself. This is very simple. It's very easy to put together. What you want to do is you want to get some non-fat plain yogurt, okay? Like I always use Chobani. A tiny bit of lemon juice, some fresh chopped garlic, and a little bit of salt and pepper. The only thing I didn't have in my preps was dill. Always use fresh dill, not dill weed or dill seed or anything like that. Fresh dill, okay? So a lot of people think, well, isn't this tzatziki? Well, in Armenian, it's called jajik. When you add cucumbers to it, it's jajik. If there's no cucumbers with it, and we just call it either madzun or tzatziki but that's the first ingredient. Second ingredient, tiny bit of chopped onion, cucumber, olives, pita bread, falafel crumbs. Now, the falafel mix that I showed it in a video yesterday. Instead of forming it into a patty and frying it and then breaking it up, I did crumbs. So I'm going to take my, wait a minute, I gotta put this down, okay. I'm gonna take some falafel and I'm gonna layer it. So this is 2 teaspoons. I think this is gonna work really nice. So I'm stirring up my madzun or my yogurt. The problem I have with doing the parfaits is I'm not good at this. I want each layer to show. Like I don't want it to be messy and all like thrown together. Ugh, okay. Anyway, now I'm going to take some cucumbers. Do you remember those cucumbers that I put in the mason jar the other day? And I chopped them really fine. Yep, they're holding up just fine. Put another one right there. Now, if you've ever had falafel, you know that the onions and everything goes so good with it. So I'm just putting little tiny sprinkles. And you know, sometimes if you have something ethnic and you really like it and you haven't had it in a while, we tend to eat too much of it because we don't know if we're ever going to get it again. But this is going to stop, at least me, from eating too much of it. I'm going to get the Middle Eastern taste that I always crave. My little homeland. And I won't be going overboard. I'm going to put some more falafel crumbles. And some more cukes. And I'm just going to keep layering it. You get the picture? I'm not done yet, so hang on. I want to press it down a little bit, make it look nice. I'm going to put a little bit more onion. Yes, I know I'm using my hands, but I'm the only one who's going to eat this, so I'm not really worried about it. And, yeah, it could be neater. I admit it could be a lot neater. But I'm trying. Okay. Some more falafel. Some more madzun. Okay. Yeah, I really wish my dill had grown. It would have been nice. Okay, so I have to learn to be a little neater with my parfaits. It's not, Maybe it's the jars, because I'm using the jars, it's just coming out. Maybe it's just not wide enough. We will find out. The last of the cukes. And wait till you see how I top this off. It's going to be so scrumptious. Wish I had that dill, but I don't. It's okay. Okay. I'm going to top this off with the rest of my yogurt, mazun. I just say things the way my mother did. You guys say yogurt, I'd say mazun. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more on here. This is funny. If anybody ever thought that this was dessert and then they ate it by accident. I mean, unless you like falafel. Okay. I'm all out of Kalamata olives, but I know they're in the house somewhere. I'm really not out of them, just can't locate them. Gotta have your pita bread. And there it is. Arabian Parfait. Now, I'm going to dig into my lunch. You folks have a great day. Let me know what you think of this idea. And I love you. Give me a thumbs up, please, and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video.